I think from what I have gotten from what you're saying, ma'am, is that this is God's destiny for you. And now, ma'am, being a female leader in a, well, we can say, still male-dominated political structure, bilang babae, ma'am, paano ho natin nasisigurado na nabibigyan din po ng equal opportunities ang mga babae nating abogado, not only the lawyers, pero yung mga staff po natin dito, mga empleyado, paano ho natin nasisigurado na equal footing po ang mga babae at ang mga lalaki?
I'm proud to say, for the Filipino people, that majority of our lawyers are female. As well as our staff, majority rin, female. Wala kaming discrimination. Tadaan sa proseso, neuropsychiatric exam, panel interview, oral, written, computer literacy exam. Titingnan. And then, background checking from the transcript in college, in the undergrad, then in law school. Wala akong pakialam kung anong grade nila sa bar. Basta, maayos yung transcript ng college and then undergrad sa law.
Yes, ma'am.
Minsan, pag maraming bagsak, i-interviewin namin. Bakit nagkaganyan ka? Namatayan ng nanay, namatayan ng tatay, o kaya iniwan ng asawa, maaga nag-asawa, may reason.
Yes, ma'am.
So, titignan mo na lang yung results ng neuro nila if they pass it.